What's going on, guys? KRS back with another video. Today in this video we are going to talk about AMD series. What happened in CES 2022? Let's check it out. Talking about the AMD Ryzen 600 series is very powerful that deliver you the Zen 3 CPU cores which are very powerful to deliver optimistic performance to the notebooks. Then after AMD RDNA 2 graphics are very powerful for the laptops and will include much more powerful graphics in your laptop or notebooks. Talking about the another thing about the nanometer technology design. This is design 6 nanometer technology by the very known and well known company who makes the lighter nanometer processor, which is TSMC. This also includes some certain things like DDR5 and also include USB 4, which is very new for any company to include it, and I think AMD is the first one to do it. This is very powerful compared to 3.2 USB. Deliver 2x faster speed as compared to 3.2 USB. And another thing is you can just transfer the 4K movie in just 6 to 7 seconds in this USB 4. This will also include Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest and the greatest. You will also get PCI Generation 4, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2, and with AV1 also is included in it. The speed is 5 GHz after the boosting, which is a much faster compared to 5000 series. It is faster like 1.3x times faster than 500 series, and RDNA 2 graphics will double your performance in this 6000 series. Compared to 5000 series, this will be the first to include Microsoft Proton security processor in it, and with the single charge it will deliver 24 hours battery life, which is a very great thing for the notebooks. These are some statistics as you can see on the screen, and these are the image of RDNA2 graphics also. After the gaming also, these are the some analysis. Here is the announcement of the AMD Ryzen 5800X3D, which has 8 cores, 16 threads, and it will deliver 4.5 gigahertz boost. It will deliver 64 megabytes in 3D Vcrash and 32 for 2D Vcrash. Also include 105 TDP watt, 105 watt TDP. Here are some images of the boost, how much boost is provided in this thing, and will be available in spring. Let's talk about the Radeon RX 6900 XT will deliver a 4K performance for 6600 series and higher performance 180p gaming. AMD FreeSync ecosystem has grown up to 200 display and will include the 8K resolution and refresh rate up to 480 Hz, which is a very great thing. 480 Hz is, let's say, what is going on. Open source upscale technology will give you flexibility in FX, super resolution, and it has included some of the games in 2021 and will include more 22 games in this year. AMD Radeon GPU for the laptop. This is the successor of 6000 series, which is 6000S series. It is a more power efficient. The new performance will also include means the more performance per watt, and the another thing is a 20% thinner, 4.5 pound, which will include 80 to 100 fps. There are three variants over here, which is 6600S, 6700S, and 6800S. Let's talk about the RX 6000M series, which will give you the faster performance and high clock speed, and all the things over here is faster because it includes the 6 nanometer technology, which will include and which will enable your gaming performance in low power and in low latency also. There are two processors which include this thing is RX 6300M and RX 6500. Talking about the RX 6650M will deliver 20% more performance as compared to their original series, which is 6600M. After that, RX 6805 XT, which is the fastest GPU told by the AMD. After that, RX 6500 XT was announced, which is for desktop. It is based on 6 nanometer technology and it is told as the fastest GPU, which has the clock speed of 2.6 gigahertz. You will get 16 hardware ray accelerator and 16 MB of crash memory. The availability of this thing will be at January 19th, which is priced at $200. RX 6000 series was very successful. In last year, they launched 8 models, but this year they will launch more than 12 plus model, and with more than 100 plus solution will also available in this processor or graphic card. Radeon Super Resolution. It is easy to and available, and in the low resolution it will double your FPS. It will available in Q1 2022. There are also some great thing in this, which is AMD Privacy View and AMD Link 2.0. Talking about the privacy, it will help you to keep the privacy matters. The advanced eye tracking system has been available in it, and with the AMD Link 2.0, you can easily stream and share it with your friends. There are also some AMD advantages which will help you in certain things. First is amplified performance. This will include in the GPU and 6000 series also. Another is new AMD Smart Technology Premium Visual. Now the FreeSync has premium displays which can be boosted up to 144 Hz to 360 Hz for 1080p and or full HD plus display, and another is for the QHD plus and Ultra HD plus display, which is up to 120 Hz. Built-in gaming design is also available in this, where each thing will include PCIe 4 and dual 16 channels of memory in it. This will include certain things in the design which is very slim and lightweighted thin design. The smart technology has new optimization in 2022. We all know the shifting technology where the adjustment is made between the performance and efficiency or graphics and performance. But this is going through the next level in AMD thing. They are announcing Smart Shift Max, which will boost the certain things at much higher level, or we can say double the speed. This is the image as you can see. Smart Swift Eco is a very interesting thing told in this event by the AMD. This thing is very much needed in this time. When the laptop is unplugged, it will directly run into the Ryzen integrated CPU, which will give you the long lasting gaming performance on your battery. And when the charger is plugged or the cable is plugged, it will deliver the maximum frame rates and will turn this Ryzen CPU into RX destructured GPU, which will deliver you maximum frame rates as you need it. This will make a lot of things difference in a gaming thing. This will available later in this year, and the hybrid design was also announced by the AMD, which will give you the 15% more frame rate. AMD 3DB cache technology was also announced, which has more than 300 plus design as compared to 2D, and 50% more inter density and 3 times more interconnect energy efficiency. Last announcement by the AMD was very great and very excitement because they are coming with the 5 nanometer Zen 4 technology, which will available in 7000 series. It will include the generation 5 PCIe DDR5 RAM slots and will become in a second half of this year, which is a very great news. 5 nanometer AMD will be exciting to see which and how much power it will deliver. AMD had made some of the great announcement, and we had wait and see how much power it will develop. There will be great clash between the Intel and AMD, but I think after making the Intel video and this is the AMD is far ahead as compared to the Intel. We have to wait of July thing of Intel event. Let's see what the Intel can do. But till now, this is of CS 2022. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe, share among your friends, press all the bell notification so you never miss any other update coming soon with another video.